Then let us start to learn how to build this model. Create a new file first. Select large object, millimeters. And then we go to the top view to place our background bitmap. We input background bitmap. Select our top view. You can download all of these files from our website. Just draw my background, and then I can move the centroid position to 0. Input 0 and press enter. And then size the front view background. So I need to input background bitmap again. Select front view one. Draw it. But you know they are different size, right? So how can we keep them in the same size? We can draw a reference line. Go to the top view. Hold your shift command on your keyboard and then draw it. Now we get our horizontal straight line. This is a reference line. Go to the front view, click your front view and activate your front view windows. So we put our background bitmap again. Use line options here. Okay. Select the right length of the object. Then we can select the reference line. Oh, now they are in the same size. And then we can import our back view background. How to do it? We can go to add a back view viewport first. So we go to the viewport and split viewport horizontally. Now there is another viewport here. I want to set this one to be back view. So we go to set view and choose back. And we need to input background bitmap again to remove the front view background in our back viewport. Double click it to input a new one, background bitmap. Select back one. Draw it and repeat the same process. Select line options. And then find your right length of the image. Where is our target line? Yeah. Cool. And then we need to set the right view background. But we don't know the width of it for the object. So we can go to the top view. And we can draw another reference line like this. Hold your shift command again to draw a vertical straight line. Oh, this line, good. Go to the right view, and then we can input background bitmap again, the right image, choose the line options again. Then select our target line. Yeah. Where is the end point? Cool. We need to set another left viewport. Okay, split viewport. Choose this to be the left view. Double click it. Remove our right view background, remove, and place a new one, the left one, this one, and then line options. I think I need to align it again. that the right one? No, I don't think so. So I'll go to start it again. So now they are in the same size. Please practice first and then we do the next step, guys.